Hello friends, welcome to jQuery tutorial. In this sub-series, we will look into checkbox and how to use jQuery UI API on the checkbox. With jQuery UI, we can enhance the visual appearance of the checkbox. Here, checkbox in the sense we are talking about a HTML checkbox, and we can improve its visual appearance by using the jQuery UI APIs. jQuery UI allows to manage the checkbox state, checked as well as unchecked state. So, the HTML checkbox, you can improve the visual appearance using the jQuery UI. You can also easily handle the check state, checked or unchecked. The call to checkbox radio, so this is the method from the jQuery UI. The call to checkbox radio on the checkbox HTML input will enhance the checkbox. So this is the one that will transition this checkbox as a jQuery UI checkbox. In this sub-series, we will learn about the jQuery checkbox. In the last video, we learned about the button, and here we are going to learn about checkbox. And in the next sub-series, we will learn about the radio button. So these three examples will give an idea of how you can use the jQuery API for UI elements. And after that, we will present you two more sub-series. There we will learn some advanced control. There is no demo in here. Thank you for watching. Bye.